Hi, I'm Brian Fulver with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, aka IP Truck, here in McKinney, Texas. And today we're going to take a look at this Hino 338. It's got the Hino J08 260 horsepower engine in it, paired with an Allison 3500 rough duty transmission. It's going to be great for your heavy jobs like this truck's set up for. We can go ahead and take a look inside over here, see what the driver's going to be seeing and feeling as he drives down the road and goes about his business. As we get in here, we got a air ride seat to adjust for both height and driver comfort. We got a backup camera on this truck for safety, as long as a backup alarm. Digital readout for your Allison 3500 transmission. All these Hinos come equipped with cruise control, engine brakes, full Bluetooth stereo. This one has power mirrors on it, heated mirrors on it. Of course, you got your AC for this hot Texas weather, along with heat. Comes with space management here with 2 cup holders and storage, as well as an additional cup holder on the dash. Got dual sun visors and overhead storage on both sides of the truck with map compartments. One of the options we have here are your safety triangles, and fire extinguishers come equipped. So let's go ahead and move into the back and take a look at what we have on this thing. This is the new Way Cobra 20-foot cubic yard rear load body. It's a contractor's choice. It's the perfect compaction, perfect balance between compaction and lightweight body. Pack on the go for seamless operations between pickup, compaction rate of 1,000 pounds per yard, with a 3-yard hopper here in the back. External mounted cylinders for easy maintenance. Automatic tailgate that locks with outside lever controls here. 12,000 pounds of reeving cylinder and container latches for servicing your rear load dumpsters. All LED lights with work lights in the hopper and high visibility strobe lights. That makes for a really great work truck and keeping your guys safe and effective out on the road. So that's going to be our walk around for this Hino 338 with the Cobra 20-yard dump on the back, new Way body. Please visit us on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook, as well as our website, iptruck.com, and give us a minute and we'll show you this truck running.